1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in Amsterdam and we have a really fun day planned. We're starting with the waffle making workshop and then the tour of the red light district. Let's go. And since I'm in Amsterdam, I had to wear the Red Bull merch. Waiting for a tram here and this is my first ever time traveling in one. I've seen a lot of trams in the UK, but I've actually never traveled in one. I'm really excited about this.
Central Station. It's grand and it's central.
Just reached Amsterdam Central and honestly, what a view. Every corner looks straight out of a painting. Spent some time walking by the riverside and just taking in all the classic Dutch buildings. They're so unique and detailed, I couldn't stop filming. I'm at Amsterdam Central right now and I'm going to be trying the viral Dutch frites for lunch. So let's see how it is. Standing in the queue to get the frites, but the queues is really long. I've had it before. I really hope it's worth the wait. I got the large one with 2 sauces for €11.75. That's about £10. Slightly on the expensive side, but pretty solid, especially during a rainy afternoon. Considering the price and the taste, I'd give this a 7 out of 10. I'd still recommend trying this if you're ever in the city. After that, I joined a walking tour with my guide, super friendly guy who took us around the red light district and other historic spots in the city. We walked past some coffee shops and some beautiful canals. We went to the actual spot where Chet Baker, the jazz artist, tragically fell from his hotel window when he was intoxicated. He was performing here often and sadly his addiction caught up with him. Then we walked into the Wallen area. It's full of history with some of the city's oldest pubs and restaurants. This one, Gulpenair, is actually one of the oldest and still brews its own beer in Netherlands. It's got that proper vintage pub feel. And this ear on the wall has a really dark history. Back then, women accused of prostitution and adultery had their ears cut off and displayed on the wall. So yeah, kinda sad and a dark history behind this one. Walking further, we explored a few more restaurants and pubs with a lot of history. We also passed what used to be Amsterdam's old Chinatown. It was known for opium and trade back in the day, but now it's all Asian restaurants and souvenir shops. It's cool to see how it's changed over time. And then of course we walked through the red light district, one of the most talked about areas here. You can't film near any of the red lit windows. The fine is €240. Ended the day at the Bulldog, grabbed a few souvenirs and took a slow walk back along the canals. Such a good first day in Amsterdam, even though I missed the waffle making workshop, but I'm really excited to show you the day 2 of this trip as well. We couldn't make it to the waffle making workshop today due to a lot of disruptions. However, we've still planned a lot of fun things on this trip. So subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos. Cheers guys.